She's walking, guys. Paisley, what you doing? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This little Paisley Janie. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unbox for Lovevery monthly subscription for babies, toddlers, preschoolers from like birth. From birth up. I've been using and receiving Lovevery boxes since Hazley was around 3 to 4 months. So that was the first box I ever received. Yes, wasn't it? Was it the first box you ever received? Yeah. I love you. Let's show them. She's walking, guys. Look at her. She's walking away. Here is the box. It's the 9 to 10 month play kit, and it's called the Explorer. If you guys don't know, on the 18th, Hazley turned 9 months old, so I officially have a 9-month-old. Time is passing me by. It's flying. My baby is about to be a toddler. You can't get the video. You can't take the camera. We gotta record video for today. No. Jokey monkey. You ready to open your box, girl? Let's go. Come on, me. Come on, me. Look at her walking. Good girl. I love you so much. I love you. We're gonna let mommy undo the box so we can open it. Yes, let mommy undo the box so we can open it. Hard. Hey diddle diddle, the cat in the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Yeah. Okay. Mommy put the scissors away. Wait 1 second. Alright guys, so we're getting into the unboxing portion of the video. Okay, Hazley, ready? So here's the box. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. Come on, let's show the people. Oh my. You take this little thing off. First it has the name of the kit. Right there, the Explorer and the months for it. And then if you flip it, what's inside of the kit? So in this kit, we have a peekaboo blanket, which looks like this. Peekaboo. 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 So we have the peekaboo blanket, and then we have the beanbag shapes that look like this. Next, we have How I Feel, and each of the play kits that I've received so far all come with books. So this one is a How I Feel book. How I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel mad. I feel surprised. I feel shy. You like your book. So we have another book to add to your collection. Next we have a opposites book. This is the first time I've received 2 books in a kit, which is nice. So this is called an opposites. The opposite of little is big. Come on, we're gonna finish opening. No, Hazley, no. Come walk. We have a zipper pouch, which is really cool because Hazley's really into zippers right now, so she would really enjoy that. Then we have first block. Wow, so these are the blocks. Look at your blocks. You can stack them. She's playing with the paper instead. After our blocks, we have a clear tube with stacking rings and a baby ball. So these are the stacking rings. Hazley already had one. I don't know where she put it. Oh, here it is right in front of me. So these are the stacking rings. So this is the tube for the stacking rings, and it has like open-ended side, and it has a little ball in it that wraps. Place one end in this bottom, which is the holder, and then you can stack. Yeah. Leigha, look at your blocks. Beautiful. You want to look at mommy's camera instead? You can't touch the camera. Next, you have a Montessori egg cup. This is the egg cup. We'll put the egg in there. Put the egg in the cup. Okay, one more thing, baby. We have these, and these are called little grip canisters. Close it like this. So this is one. This is another one. These are nice. And then this one, like that. So these are the little canister sets. And then you can put water or something in it because it has those little holes. Each of the kits that I get always have a materials and care pamphlet that shows you how to care for each individual item. We have this as well that comes in every single kit. Along with the stickers, you get monthly stickers as well that comes in every single kit. This is my favorite part of all. You get a play guide which has 4 different tabs on it. The tabs start with what and when, what the item is, and when you should introduce it, as well as a baby and you tab. A baby and you basically gives you a rundown of what your baby should be doing at the 9-month stage, as well as what they should be doing at the 10-month stage, as well as the playing things, which are each individual item. They break down how you should play with it with your baby, how you should interact with the item, and just like cool little tips. And then the last one on this little tab is called More Activities, and that basically just gives you a few little DIY at-home activities or different activities that you can do with your baby aside from the toys and aside from the activities that come in the play kit. For an example, this is a ribbon play. You can buy some ribbon or use some ribbon that you have around the house and put it on a little hamper. Farmer in the dale, the farmer in the dale, farmer in the dale, the farmer. Oh, you like this? Look. I love Lovevery because Lovevery is a Montessori inspired subscription box for babies and toddlers. Toys are designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. So these things that they put in this box are Montessori, which is key because I do follow the Montessori philosophy. I love it. It's amazing. All the products are amazing. I definitely recommend if you're into Montessori or really want to help your baby's brain develop and give them some really helpful and educational toys without all those flashing lights and all the loud noises, then I think you guys should really check out this subscription because Lovevery is an amazing subscription. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, or if you want to learn more about this type of brand, I definitely suggest you checking them out and going under their website. I would definitely give Lovevery a 10 out of 10. I think I covered everything, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week. I'm sorry my baby girl Hazley is not in this outro, but she's currently sound asleep, so we will see you guys next week. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, see you next week. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Bye.